in IT sector from past 5 years. I graduated from Delhi University in 2015 and I recently started competitive programming again. But this time I thought of giving it back to the community. Let's start with Lead Code, which I have been a regular visitor to, and they have come up with the daily, monthly challenges. And let's get started with day one. Hello everyone. I hope all of you are having a great time. And for those who don't know me, let me just introduce myself. I'm Sanchit Rudeja. I'm a software developer. To be specific, I'm working as SD4 at Adobe. And with immense pleasure, I would like to announce that Coding Decoded is 1 year old now. We have successfully crossed 1 year, 1 month mark, and it gives me immense pride in announcing this. Today, I want to have a heart to heart conversation with all of you guys regarding this journey. It has been exciting but challenging for me. I have published more than 320 lead code daily questions on consistent basis over the period of 1 year, 1 month. Yes, you have heard it right. 320 solutions over a period of 390 days. What do you think, since I have an experience of 6 to 7 years, was this journey easy for me as I know most of the concepts? No, guys, I will be very honest and frank with you. It has been very challenging for me as I had to manage office work and along with it solve a lead code question and then upload a video for you guys so that you can get the maximum out of my knowledge. So where is the motivation coming from? Over the period of 1 year, there has been times when I was disappointed and disheartened seeing the subscriber count versus the effort that I have put in. I used to self-doubt myself whether I have done the right job of creating this channel or not. And then suddenly, whenever I used to have those thoughts, a message used to pop up either on some video or on LinkedIn telling that someone has been successful because of me or thanked me for the videos that I have been publishing. It has been the commendable journey because of you guys. Your constant appreciation have been a fuel for creating these videos the very next day. Today I am highly thankful to you guys for being the constant source of motivation for me and making this channel successful. I won't take much of your time now. I just want to highlight one more point here. In case you have missed any of the DS Algo concepts in the past, don't worry. As we progress in the future, someday or the other, you're gonna cover those concepts. But what is important here is going through that playlist on building coding aptitude. Those are like words of wisdom for you guys. Had I known those concepts or those approaches before my interviews, I would have been way ahead in my career. Let me just point you guys to the videos that I'm talking about. I searched Coding Decoded channel on YouTube and let me just go and open the channel's page. Here you will see a playlist named Building Coding Aptitude. Let me just open this playlist for you guys. And let me just talk about a few of the videos that are of high importance. The first one being how to understand hints from the interviewer during the coding process. If you have an eminent interview lined up, please go and view this video, make notes out of it, and just before the interview starts, revise those notes. More than fear, more than practice, it's the fear of the interview that kills the efforts and makes us land in failure. I would highly recommend you guys to go through this video whenever you get time. It will help you understand why interviews are so important for the company as well and reduce your anxiety. At times, we often don't give importance to mock interviews. Mocks are highly important in order to train your brain how to perform during a coding interview process. The importance is discussed in this particular video. I would urge you guys to go through this video and then follow up and perform mock interviews if you have an imminent interview lined up. The next video, why did I fail at coding interviews? This video talks about the power of asking questions during the interview process. At times, we lose out on interviews because we don't ask proper questions. I would highly urge you guys to go through this video as well. And if you are struggling with getting your resume shortlisted, do visit this one. Why did my resume always get rejected? Apart from this, if I go back to the Coding Decoded homepage, there you will see a journey of a tester to a developer. This video was built in conjunction with one of my friend at Adobe. She moved from a tester role to a developer role. If you are also under similar circumstances and want to move from a testing to development, please refer this video. This brings me to the end of today's session. In the end, I would like to thank all of you again for the love and support that you guys have shown me. Also, I would request you guys to tell about this channel to your friends and colleagues who are also interested in learning DS Algo and preparing for coding interviews. They will also benefit from it. Thanks for watching today's session. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow with another fresh question from Coding Decoded. Till then, rest in peace from Sanchit Dudeja. Goodbye.